coating machines. And the coating machines we have, so we can see here, this is more or less the definition of the experience what we see here, based on ThingWorx Studio. We have, for example, here the coating head, the dryer, and the quality station. And what we want to do is to show new employees, for example, for trainings, how to maintain these manufacturing things here. Sometimes you need to clean that. You need to know what kind of tool you need to dismount, for example, the assembly. Sometimes we need documentation about the lasers, what you see here. So we have, for example, PDFs implemented there. Sometimes we need to know how also to dismount the coil here in that case. So then this is something that we can show directly through the lens. Yeah? Fine? Yeah. Okay, so we can see that. So now we will see exactly what Felix is saying through the lens. Just let me connect to the Hololens. There is a live string. So if we close the door, typically it's closed when the production is running. So you see here we have different voice commands that we can program. If I say tool, for example, something will happen. Here you have the operating data, what happens the distance between the tool and the roll. Here you have also production data. We are producing actually anode. Here you have the distance between the sensor and the foil itself, because we measure the distance. So that means the experience is connected to the PLC also. Yeah? So now we would like to have, for example, maintenance use case for the tool.